Start. Heard Shri G.K. Singh, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Shri Sankalp Narayan, for the petitioner, Shri Rahul Agrawal, Learned Counsel for the respondent numbers 2 and 3, and Shri Gautam Baghel, Learned Counsel for the respondent numbers 4 and 5, full stop para. The petitioner in the writ petition is seeking quashing of the decision of the Vice Chancellor discarding the selection made by the Selection Committee on 3/5/2018 in respect of the post of Assistant Professor in Philosophy as approved by the governing body in its meeting held on 8/5/2018 and communicated by the Joint Registrar vide letter dated 15/6/2018, full stop. The prayer further is that the respondents be directed to issue appointment letter to the petitioner on the post of Assistant Professor (Philosophy) in the Jagat Taran Girls Degree College, Allahabad, full stop para. Briefly stated, the facts of the case are that an advertisement number JTGDC/01/2017 was issued by the Jagat Taran Girls Degree College, a constituent college of the University of Allahabad, for filling up various posts of teachers, including the post in question, that is, one post of Assistant Professor (Philosophy) in the open category, full stop. The petitioner submitted his application against the advertisement for the post of Assistant Professor (Philosophy) and he was called for interview, and after interview a recommendation was made for his appointment by the Selection Committee on 3/5/2018, which was then placed before the governing body in its meeting held on 8/5/2018, full stop. It is stated that the advertisement was in respect of large number of posts, philosophy being one of them, and the recommendations were made by the various selection committee and they were all placed before the governing body for consideration, full stop. The governing body approved all the recommendations, including that of the petitioner for the post of Assistant Professor (Philosophy), full stop para. Shri G.K. Singh, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, has referred to Ordinance 38 of the Ordinances of the University made under subsection (2) of Section 29 of the University of Allahabad Act 2005, which deals with selection and appointment of teachers, including principals, in the constituent colleges, full stop. He has also referred to clause 3C, which speaks of constitution of the selection committee and provides that para. First, there shall be a chairperson of the governing body or one of the members of the governing body nominated by him, not being a nominee of the Vice Chancellor in the governing body or a person in the service of the college (chairperson:). Second, one of the nominees of the Vice Chancellor on the governing body nominated by the Vice Chancellor (para). Third, one expert of the subject concerned from amongst the professors or readers of the university nominated by the Vice Chancellor (para). Fourth, two experts of the subject concerned not being members of any authority of the university or persons in the service of the university or any institution maintained by it or admitted to its privileges or otherwise connected with any college nominated by the governing body from such panel of 6 names as has been approved by the Vice Chancellor (para). The second proviso to subclause C of clause 3 further lays down that 4 members of the selection committee, including at least 2 experts under serial numbers 3 and 4 must be present to form the quorum of a meeting thereof full stop para. Learned Senior Counsel next referred to sub-clause in bracket H of clause 3 which reads as under colon para H, where the governing body, upon considering the recommendations of the selection committee for the post of principal or other teacher, first agrees with the recommendation of the selection committee, the person recommended by the selection committee shall be appointed as principal or other teacher as the case may be, or second, does not agree with the recommendation of the selection committee, the governing body shall refer the matter to the vice chancellor along with the reasons for such disagreement, and the vice chancellor may first remit the matter to the governing body for reconsideration in accordance with his observations on such reasons. Second, direct that another selection committee be constituted to consider the cases of the same candidates as were considered by the original selection committee, or third, direct that the post be re-advertised full stop para 7. Referring to sub-clause 2 of clause H, Shri G.K. Singh submitted that the governing body shall refer a matter to the vice chancellor only if it disagrees with the recommendation of the selection committee along with the reason for its disagreement, and then the vice chancellor may adopt any of the three courses full stop. Firstly, remit the matter to the governing body for reconsideration in accordance with his observations on such reasons, colon. Secondly, direct that another selection committee be constituted to consider the cases of the same candidates as were considered by the original selection committee, or direct that the post be re-advertised full stop. His submission therefore was that in the present case the governing body never disagreed with the findings of the selection committee full stop. The contention of the learned senior counsel is that a duly full stop over.